Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today I will show you some do's and don'ts. There are a million ways of how you can draw eyes. I didn't say this is the rule, it's just a tip that worked for me. Sketch too dark and rush a sketch. It's usually happening when you want it finished almost instantly to move to the next step. I can relate, and I really have the same problem before. It feels really frustrating when sketching takes a long time to finish. I always rushed and produced something below average. Patient learned. Sketch lightly and including enough detail. The detailing correcting some areas, rendering is slower, sometimes very slow, but I let this happen naturally by knowing that I am working on each stroke with love on my artwork. There is process, and you are going to bring different vibe when you are finished. When your pencil first touches the paper with heavy hand and you just stop the line, it will finish with a blunt square end, and that end will not blend away. If you shade back and forth, draw each line on one way and then back immediately back again, the termination of the line will not only blend, it will also have the double layer of graphite, and no amount of blending will smooth out. If you shade in sections and your lines have blunt end, all adjoining lines will create a double layer of graphite and compound the problem. You should practice lifting your pencil clear as you terminate each line. Build up shading in layer. Use a chisel point so your pencil draws with soft edge line. That way, the line will blend together without the visible hard edge that a point produces. When you're blending with the finger, you can add your own oils and acidity from your hand to the work, and they're a great potential to smudge the graphite. It doesn't ruin the drawing, it just leaves oil from the skin. It is preferable to avoid touching the surface of the drawing, in my option, unless you are wearing thin gloves or your hands are really clean and dry. The oil from your fingers would stain the paper and graphite won't work very well and won't spread eventually over it. It would create uneven patches in your sketch. For more serious work, try to blend with a brush, blending stump, cotton, or tissue. When you build up layer with heavy hand, it leads to harass value. Use the light top for blending. Apply your brush in the same up and down application as you applied your graphite pencil while you are shading. I used to be scared of the dark values. I'm afraid when I'm at more dark layer, it will ruin my drawing. With that notion, I only got a light drawing. It's a common mistake to use a similar tones without any variation in our work. There are light tones, mid tones, and dark tones. Contrast is what distinguishes an object from an object, helps tell a clear story, and allow viewer to see what is happening. That's all for today's video, and if you like, please give a thumbs up and see you guys in my next video.